Hello and welcome to project Papercraft. This is a project about crafting 3D models from paper sheets. You choose the model and start folding like in real life. Use your hands to bend paper and follow crease lines and get your 3D model complete. The project leverages Interaction SDK for hand interactions and supports pass-through mixed reality capability. Papercraft is a mix of puzzle and simulator. It's fun to guess what model can be obtained from weirdly looking flat patterns. It's also fun to make these models by your own hands. Choose from a dozen of models of different shapes and colors. A rotating carousel menu, like in real life, can be quite satisfying. Model crafting in mixed reality helps to advance your real-life hobby in two ways. First, you can check if a model is feasible to bend, if polygons are not too narrow or hidden in defaults. And second, you can preview the finished model and see how it looks in your room before even starting working on it with glue and scissors. Papercraft experience simplifies a real-life crafting process to some extent, just to get the most from both real and virtual world capabilities. As a result, it is still fun and still reflects the process of paper modeling. Although the screencasting doesn't show it, Papercraft supports pass-through capability, allowing player to see model in full scale and compare it to the environment. So, if you like handcrafting sitting in your studio at your desk, Papercraft tries to provide you the same feeling. Relax and have fun with Papercraft.